It's sunny. It's sunny in Van.
Exciting news for Coquitlam residents. The city has just opened 132 new affordable homes at Hoy Creek Housing Cooperative. This is a major milestone in the city's mission to improve housing accessibility. These new homes replace 60 aging townhomes torn down due to mold and outdated plumbing issues. The redevelopment has resulted in 72 net new affordable rental units. Ravi Kahlon, Minister of Housing, highlights that this initiative is part of the Homes for People plan, which aims to ensure people can stay in the communities where they've built their lives. This aligns with the provincial goal of maintaining a robust supply of affordable housing. This project is a critical component of the BC government's $19 billion housing investment, marking one of the largest housing investments in the province's history.
Join us on this journey to find your dream home in Vancouver.